There's that one spot that has really clear water.
Matt!
You filming?
Yes.
Hey guys, Eric Kramer here, and I'm a huge
I'll actually teach you.
Well, you actually learn regular life skills. You learn how to build a campfire, you learn how to build a tent.
Yeah, but do you
have to take shit in the woods? Didn't think so.
do you know how to tie
That's the right way.
do you know how to tie a box knot? That's what I thought.
You know, I've had sex. Right, dog. You learn that Boy Scout.
No, yeah, my scout counselor taught me.
We had an orgy. But you never had that. We did like Boy Scouts.
Buzz down,
So bad.
Don't smoke.
Hey, don't drink and drive because you might hit someone and spill your beer. Oh! Mother trucker, dude, that hurt like a butt cheek on a stick. Ah!
Wow. It's all man piece. It's a nice belt.
I ain't everybody act girl like girl. I'm cooking pie with my baby. I be in the kitchen with my baby. I'm cooking pies with my baby. I be in the kitchen getting high with my baby. Yeah. What is wrong with me? I'm not tipping my truck queen, cause all I know is money. Yeah, it's looks unlocked. Yell at us. Hey kids, get out of there. And I'm gonna be like, no. So, after walking on that, I realized I was stepping in a ton of water. So we have to rush back to the car so my toes don't freeze off.
My toes aren't like wet or anything.
Yeah. Why was it slush? It's like really cold. Well, the snow makes an insulation for the water.
You know, these things take millions of years.
Yeah, no, dude.
That's what we call them drippers.
Look at this. The pristine.
We call these
In the geology business, we call this pissy pants poo.
Okay, we should.
Because the guy who found the first one, his name was John, but everyone called him Pissy Pants.
We're eventually, you know, it's gonna get thinner. So I just wouldn't.
Oh, thinner. It might not.
Well,
That might not happen. There's that one spot that has really clear water.
Matt. Woo. Okay, we're going out.
Yeah. Get thinner in here.
I'm gonna rip your head. It did get thinner. No, that's why you fell in, Matt. It didn't get thinner. You fell in because it got thicker.
Should I? just the first line is so fucking dumb.
What is it?
Should the coffee pot shit?
Oh yeah.
Should I put a hot coffee pot on Donald Trump? Probably not.
All right, let's go in to get some Denny's.
What's going on? Today we're going to be going to... Happy for you? It's all man piece. It's a nice belt. Thank you.